feeling a little stressed? Let's talk about one of the breathing techniques that actually really works. So when your anxiety is high, your fight or flight kicks in, and therefore your cortisol goes up. But this breathing technique actually flips that switch. Your parasympathetic nervous system is the one that helps us to rest and relax. So this breathing technique helps us to do that. All you're going to do is you're going to breathe in for the count of 4. Hold it for the count of 4. And exhale for 8. Repeat this a couple of times. Let your body relax. It will help you. If you're still having problems managing your anxiety, even using this technique or any of the other techniques we have talked about, please reach out to us through your Call on Doc patient portal. And don't forget to download our brand new app. That way, we are everywhere you are.